Imagine waking up one morning to the brightest light you've ever seen, so bright that it blinds satellites and casts shadows in the night sky. The sun has gone supernova. But wait, that can't happen, right? In this video, we're diving into one of the most terrifying and fascinating cosmic what-if scenarios. What if the sun went supernova tomorrow? From instant death to long-term chaos in the solar system, you're about to learn why we should all be very grateful for the sun's current stability. Before we even start panicking, let's clear this up. Our sun cannot naturally go supernova. It's not massive enough. Supernovae occur in stars at least 8 times more massive than our sun. Our star will eventually expand into a red giant and then settle into a white dwarf. So for this scenario to happen, something must artificially cause our sun to collapse. Say a rogue particle destabilizes it, or an alien experiment goes terribly wrong. Let's suspend disbelief and say, somehow the sun does go supernova tomorrow. The very first thing you notice is light. A supernova would release an unimaginably bright flash of radiation, blinding any living thing looking directly at it, even from 93 million miles away. Satellites would fry. GPS systems would fail, the night sky would glow like daytime. Then comes the solar wind, charged particles blasting through space. Earth's magnetic field would be overwhelmed, causing a global electromagnetic storm. Power grids would fail, communications would shut down, and airplanes might fall out of the sky. And we haven't even gotten to the heat yet. A supernova releases as much energy in seconds as the sun normally emits in its entire lifetime. When the full blast of this energy wave hits Earth, the atmosphere ignites, the oceans begin to boil. Plants, animals, humans, all gone within minutes. Earth would literally be scorched, and it doesn't stop there. The blast wave continues outward, ripping through the solar system, destroying planets, melting moons, and erasing everything in its path. Without the sun's gravitational pull, planets would veer off into space. Earth, if it somehow survives, would become a frozen dead rock drifting in the void. But the chances of survival are zero. The sun's core collapse would likely turn it into a neutron star or black hole, depending on the mechanism of explosion. Either way, we're gone. The solar system becomes a graveyard. There is no way to prepare for a supernova at this distance. The only slim hope would be deep underground shelters with radiation shielding and decades of supplies. But even then, the planet's surface would be uninhabitable for thousands of years. Could we leave Earth in time? Maybe if we had decades of warning. But if the supernova is tomorrow, we're simply out of luck. Luckily, none of this will happen. The sun is stable. It's about halfway through its 10 billion year life. In about 5 billion years, it will become a red giant, but not a supernova. Still, the idea of a supernova close to Earth isn't completely far-fetched. If a star like Betelgeuse, about 640 light-years away, goes supernova, we'd see it, but not be harmed. So next time you see the sun rise, be thankful. It may look peaceful, but it's a cosmic powerhouse that, under the wrong conditions, could end everything in an instant. Want more terrifying, mind-blowing, and scientifically accurate space content? We've got you covered. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.